What's happening, YouTube? Well, we're out here in Wipers again. Fixed the rear shocks on this. Ooh, there's a deer. See this? Anyways, I fixed the shocks on this rear door, so now I can use this again. Come on. I'm pushing the button. There it is. Awesome. I was hoping to get here early enough to have some drone shots of arrival, but it's way too dark now. I mean, yeah, that camera doesn't pick up anything. So I'm just gonna turn on my inverter right now. That charges my laptop and all that stuff. Cool, and make some dinner, get to bed, and wow, I didn't think this would be this messed up. Jesus. Well, let's see. I know, I was just I might go through here, but we'll see.
Okay, I wouldn't go through there.
No,
you might sneak.
How is that? Oh, that looks great. Well, I don't know if this is... Okay, that was not the best. It's gonna be fun getting out of here tomorrow. Should probably do it early before it gets warm. Well, we made it. It's a lot harder getting through that first part when you get in than I thought it was gonna be. I didn't realize it basically gets terrible right away. But here we go, got the heater running already. Just gonna hunker down and watch a movie. The old classic steak sandwich with some mayonnaise. That's my dinner. Well, that's my fuel level right now. Just shake the van a bit and you can see it moving. So this is a fairly thick tank. It's actually 10 liters. Like, a lot of them are advertised as 10 liters, but they're actually like 5 or 6 or something. Just ridiculous. But that's the level of my fuel, and we'll see it in the morning. That's my fuel level. Dropped maybe less than 1 inch for the full night. I guess having that chair in the back was propping the door open a bit, and it was causing me to use a lot more of the van when it was minus 20. It would still be cold. Good thing I got that sorted out. So efficient. Get my coffee together. Probably drive back over that bridge or creek trail thing. My new airbag system is pretty cool, but one side leaks and I still need to figure it out. Should be easy to figure it or diagnose it. But the fill is right here for the side that's leaking. So yeah, I'm just doing that from inside. It's pretty nice. I'm sure I cleared today, but it's way too windy to fly a drone. Okay, I hated this part last night. Let's see if we can go here again. I didn't notice this was on ice. Maybe I should have gone to the other side like before. Alright, we'll try it. Nice. Okay. That part had me worried.